Project number 3 is going to be this wooden picture frame. I don't have any glass for this picture frame. It never came with it. I just liked the shape of it, the bones of the frame. So I'm gonna also, again, take that minty green color that I mixed up earlier, and I'm going to paint that all over. Now I only did one coat on this as well because it's going to get multiple layers, and I'm also going to wet distress. So there's no sense in doing the 2 layers on there, and I really want this to look distressed and aged and old. So the reasoning for my color choices on all 3 of these projects is because of a particular placemat that I got at Dollar General, actually, for $1. And you'll see that in just a little bit. But here I'm just showing you, I wet distressed and brought all that, not all, but some of that dark wood back underneath, because that's going to play into the colors in that placemat. And then I'm dry brushing, just a light dry brush of the plaster paint again as well. And doing that all over the frame. And now I'm using that antiqued glaze and going all over the frame as well, and then wiping it back so that it sits down again in the cracks and crevices and just makes it look aged and old. Here's an up-close look at what it looks like. I just love it. It looks like it's been around and painted and worn off, and so I'm just going to point to a few places where I just think it's really cool because it just sits right into on top of the paint and all the ridges and everything. So very cool. So here is the placemat that I found. It says "Family makes a house a home." I thought it was beautiful spring decor, and I loved the colors in it. So we're going to go ahead and take the sticker off, and then I'm going to cut it down so that it will fit in the frame. It fits up and down, but it does not fit side to side, so I had to trim that down, which was simple. And I wanted to make sure that I got the saying on the box in the frame so that you could see it. I'm showing you here the frame where the wood backing piece is where this is going to sit. It's got quite a wide frame. So it's going to sit on that back piece where the cardboard or piece of wood would sit to hold your picture in. I want to have the front be open and a nice lip on the front because I'm going to put some decor in there. So I'm just taking some hot glue and gluing this down to the inside of the frame all the way around so that it sits nicely and won't fall out. I got the placemat all in the frame. I love these colors. The frame brings out the blue of those little blue flowers and also a little bit of the green. It depends on the light that hits it. So it's perfect complement, I think, myself. So I'm just showing you here, there's the little lip there that I'm going to be able to put some decor in. But first, I have to clean up the glue from gluing that mat in. It came out through the other side, and you can't really see it if it should be hanging on the wall because of that lip, but I thought it would look really cool to have this piece of jute rope going around the edge and just kind of cleans it up and makes it look a little more finished. I also have a link down in the description to that jute rope. I have had that big bundle of jute rope for such a long time, and if I can find a deal on it, I will put it down in the description so you guys can check it out if you want some. It would be an Amazon affiliate link, but I just love it, and I'm definitely going to order some more as I get a little bit lower because I use it on a lot of my projects. So on this one, on the bottom, I'm taking some of my Spanish moss and I am putting it all over that lip inside of the picture frame and a little bit up on the back of the placemat so that that moss will kind of stick on there. I don't want to cover up the words that are on the placemat, but I do want it to just kind of stick up a little bit. So I have this bundle of greenery and I can't remember where I got it, whether it was Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I was racking my brain trying to figure out, but I don't remember. But I pulled it apart, it was a bunch, and I took it apart and just stuck a couple of the branches on there. This is a napkin ring from Hobby Lobby. It's from their spring collection. Pretty sure I got it for 40% off. It was originally $3.99, and I bought a few of them because I knew that I'd be using them in projects. Just a little burlap flower. It's got a little lacy top on it, and here is the finished product. Hope you like it. So what do you think of these 3 projects? I really think they came out cute. I am a primitive girl through and through. I just love primitive decor, but this spring country decor is really, really cute. I just love this vignette. I think it came out awesome. I love the color that I made up, and I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload my videos. And don't forget to hit that like button because it does help my channel. Also, down in the description, again, there's a playlist to the other awesome creators of this collaboration and a link to my Etsy shop if you're interested in some of my projects. I can't keep them all to myself. There's also a playlist up on the screen. If you want to see more of my creations, click on that. Thanks for watching and take care.